This is the blessed sound I wake up to every single morning. For now, thanks unto Jah, This might seem small, but this is not small. This is not little. This is not insignificant, Not many people wake up to this sort of sound. Not anymore in South Africa. There aren't many places. There are places like this, but you mainly get them in the so-called rural places, in the fields. Yeah, those people live large there, if you know what I mean, Still grounded to nature, It's lovely, man. Sometimes you wake up in your own energies, and you come and expose yourself to this kind of energy, and you start feeling a bit different, Emmanuel Selassie,